All right, y'all. So today, you know what I'm saying? You see where we at. We finna go ahead and add them 5-inch tips, you feel me? All right, gang, so don't flame me, you feel me? Don't flame me for this shit. I know y'all gonna flame me in them comments. Gotta block out the tag, but dog, my fucking diffuser had broke. But you know, I already ordered a new one, so we good, you feel me? Oh yeah, Boy, got them pipes going. Yes, sir. Diffuser coming soon. Diffuser coming soon. As y'all can see, you know what I'm saying? We got Ivy up there. They getting it right, you feel me? Hopefully they do good. I got faith in them. I'm gonna show y'all the aftermath of it when it get done. I'm gonna hit y'all up there. All right, y'all. Feel me? I got them 5-inch. They big as fuck right now. I ain't gonna lie. Probably can't even tell. It's gonna look like when it's done though. The most.
The next day.
At the car wash, you feel me? Break a bit down, get all that brake dust off. You know what I'm saying? Something light, you feel me? This product right here, this not a sponsor, but this shit right here for brake dust, oh my God, boy. This what you need right here, dog. This the shit you need, bro. I would have recorded washing the car, but you know how long that shit takes. So. Car wash, you feel me? Car clean. It's a little warm start. Hell yeah. As y'all can see, the diffuser came. So we're gonna open this bad boy up. Go make sure it's not damaged, which I hope it's not. It shouldn't be damaged. It's gonna suck if it is. I'm not gonna lie. Nope. Forgot one. Oh, forgot one. Hold on. Technical difficulties here.
A few moments later.
Okay. Seems like it's in one piece. Hold on. Let me open this up for y'all. Yeah. So this is what the new diffuser looking like. Now it went matte black. Not gonna do gloss. It don't look damaged. It look perfect. So I'm gonna get y'all with the install too in this video. Show y'all how to throw that thing down. Yeah, we gotta get that off of there. I ain't gonna lie, that shit's ugly as hell. There ain't the right tool to use for this, but it ain't got no choice but to work today. It's a little ghetto, but it's gonna work. For them weak ass pins, so break that bitch off. You feel me? We got the diffuser. You know what I'm saying? Got the diffuser. Y'all see this bad boy fit? Hopefully it do. Throw that bitch on that like that. All right. Oh man, fuck. Right. Oh fuck, Papa. You gotta come back off, I'm sorry. I fucked up, y'all. Hold on. Alright. Gotta make sure all the fucking pieces go in. Alright. Do this side, don't worry about that right there. Get some alcohol, wipe that off. Yeah. All right, so now, feel me? I'm gonna take these little pins here. Got some of these pins. I'm just basically gonna put these pins up in this motherfucker. So we got the diffuser on there, you feel me? That bitch looks so much better than what it did look like. So y'all can't flame me no more. But now I'm about to get some screws and screw up the ends. So much more better. You know what I'm saying? Get a little cold start. Feel me? Some light. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That be hard. Oh yeah. All right, YouTube. So your boy just made it to the CARMEET. You feel me? Nah, this motherfucking nasty. I ain't even gonna lie. This your shit?
Hell no.
That shit hard as fuck. Oh my god. They brought the microwave out. Fuck, that be crazy. This shit crazy. We brought the meat to Quick Trip, not gonna fake. They shut down the meat spot. My nigga Jamar over here, they brought the meat to Quick Trip. Not gonna lie. Brought the meat to Quick Trip. Not gonna fake. That meat. We are not phased at all. What the fuck?